Hey guys, Bing here. Today let's try a different way to control the door panel to make it operable. Okay, so first edit this family. So go to the floor plan. So this is the door panel family. So it's currently locked onto this reference plane. See this one? And what we need to do is unlock this. So you can just nod to move the door. Yep. So now we need a reference line here so we can control it. So go create set work plan. So because I'm going to draw this reference line on the reference level, so which is this one, okay, and then reference line. So you can draw it roughly here off the door, so it's easier to control. And then dimension, and then create a, let's call it offset, and instance parameter, and okay. Now align and lock. So now let's go load this into the project. So you can see the doors open a little bit. So if I type in 0, if I type in 500, 800, or see this handle here, you can just drag it. So close the door, open the door, close the door, open the door. But if we drag it too far, it will go into the wall. Okay, so we need to fix this. So edit family, go to floor plan. So let's say we need another reference. We need another parameter to control. So okay, so go family types. So create a new parameter. So let's call it offset 2 instance. Okay, and then use if offset is larger than width, we will use width. Otherwise we'll use offset. Okay, so if it's 0, this one will be 0. If it's 600, this one will be 600. If it's 1200 and it's larger than width, this one will stay at 900. So, and okay, the formula is okay, and then we need to change this. Oh no, we need another reference plane instead of a reference line. RP reference plane dimension, and give the offset 2 to it. I'll just hang on. Let me go back. I don't want them to stack together. So select the door panel. So the door panel is currently here in the wall, and unlock this and move it back a little bit, and then align to this reference plane. And now select this dimension and give it offset 2. Okay, so now this we can still drag this. Okay, it's okay. We just load this into the project to have a test. So we can still, everything should be the same. See, close the door, open the door, close the door, open the door, close the door, open the door. But if we drag too far away, the door will stay here. So that's the maximum offset, which is equal to the width of the door. So if I change this door width, let's say 2100, big sliding door, and then close the door, open the door, close the door, half open into the wall. No, just stay here. Okay, that's it. So it's quite simple method, and it's very it's quite flexible. Yeah, let me know if you have any question or ideas. Okay, I'll see you next time.